Donna, and welcome back to my channel. This is Planning with Donna Smith Wilson, and today I have a plan with me in my classic dashboard happy planner for the week of July the 12th through the 18th. And this is going to be part of the happy planning tips and tricks challenges on the Facebook group. So if you are interested in doing that, this week is, I think it was trips or picnics. So I'm doing trips. So that hashtag is hashtag HPTNT challenge all together. And the name of our group is Happy Planning Tips and Tricks on Facebook. So this one's really out there. Boom, quick sneak peek. So let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And like I said, this is a little different for me, but the sun was out here and I have some super good lighting right now, so I definitely wanted to use it because some of my lighting and some of my videos has been awful. So I wanted to take advantage of the brightness. And also the lawnmower guy came this morning. So it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon here. And so I'm like, awesome. I got all my chores done. He's done, came and did his job and left, and all is right with the world. And so here I am. Wanted to go ahead and get this filmed since I had gotten it done, get it ahead of the game, since I'm gonna, I'll be starting my new job on Monday, and, I may have, be tired from, overstimulation of my brain. That would make anybody tired. And I just wanted to get this one done so I could go ahead and post it in a timely way. With all that being said, whew, that was a mouthful. I'm going to go ahead. I have not ever used my girls here before, but I am loving how it turned out. And I love that her green bathing suit exactly matches some of these stickers that I used. So this one is Miss Photo Op, and she's trying to, and I cut off part of her thighs. So, I hope that wasn't too painful for her. So, anywho, where is there it is. I use my tweezer to put her down because I want her legs to rest right there. Okay, I just wanted to bring out some of that over on this side of the page so it wouldn't look so bare, because I just felt like it was looking ghostly over there. So I thought, okay, I gotta do something because this looks awful. So I tried to use some of the florals from, and I forgot to tell you, the sticker books, the little 5-pagers, the teacher florals from Happy Planner, and Going Places Mini from Happy Planner are the 2 books I'm using exclusively today. I am also using these 2 washi tapes. Both of these are Park Lane. So you can pick Park Lane up at Joann's Fabrics. Always remember to use a code just because you will save some coins. Just saying. So I just wanted to try to, this is usually where I put my mood board, and I just feel like my mood's been really good lately. I've had a lot of pain in my legs, and we went to the family reunion on Sunday. I think I had mentioned that in one of my other planners or planner videos. And I guess, just walking on uneven ground and stuff like that, and my left, and my left knee's not the one that's the problem knee, but it is now. So last thing I need is for my knees to be all jacked up. So anyway, so there's that half of the page. And let me fold this in half so it's easier for me to grab hold of. And I'm going to start down here. And I'm trying to bring out the coloring of the stickers that I pulled. So bear with me. Okay. Some of this stuff is going to get ripped off, so I'm just saying, or get cut off. I have been wanting to use this blue forever and a day. I just think it is so pretty. And I'm using these little brown pieces as like little faux shelves. So just so you know what those are supposed to represent. And then I want to put this one, let me go ahead. It's always so hard when you put it down and then you go to start placing stuff and your placement gets off, because it will affect your entire spread. Just saying. And with this grid being on here, you definitely want to make sure you're laying it down straight, because it's definitely going to show. So after this, I have this one. And if that overlaps a little bit, that's okay. And then I have this little ginger jar. Oh my gosh, these are so... Y'all know that I love anything with this type of pattern on it because it reminds me of my granny. They both of my grannies loved dishes. They were dish freaks, and I'm a dish freak. So, I mean, now I can control myself. Back in the day, since I became sort of minimal with stuff like that, I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. But I'm telling you what, if I had the money and not a care in the world, I'd have dishes coming out my ears. I love them. You can never have too many dishes. Just saying. So this one, I want to make it look like, and I may end up having to move it. Like it's, I want to sort of make it over here. No, right here looks better. Like they're on shelves. Isn't that cute? All right, now I need to put the other floral here. And hopefully, because I literally just planned this, so it's not like it's been sticking down on this wax paper for, you know, 3 weeks. And I just planned it. And this brings out all of the colors from the other stickers. Just want to make sure I'm not hitting that base. Okay. I think it's going to look super cute. I'm going to come across here. And this super, seriously? Now I've got to use another piece of washi. I just tore it. I know, y'all are just so shocked. I like this washi because it's just really different. Like, when I say different, it just looks like a bunch of vines or something somebody squiggled up or something. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't want to get too tight. And I want that to come all the way right there. And just give that some division. So that, you know, it's sort of breaking it up. Now I want to put this in here. I didn't want to put that in there because I thought I might have to pull it back up. So I thought, well, let me go ahead and get it in there. All right. I love this sticker. I did cut the looking for off the top of it just because I didn't need it on there. And I'm using this very loosely because I've got to put this chick on here down this side. Okay, now I've got to put this here. I love this sticker. I love these coppers. They had a sticker book come out with Happy Planner that had a lot of the copper in it. And I really regret not picking that up. And the first opportunity that I get to blow a little bit more money on planner supplies, I'm definitely going to pick it up. I love anything copper. My whole kitchen is alabaster and copper. So I'm all about the copper. And I love the way this chick was looking over her shoulder, looking so sophisticated. She just looked like she knew what she wanted and how to get it. And then I'm going to put this little going places right above her head. I have to cut all that off. And I'm going to place this one. I love this blue foil. And this chick with this cheetah headband on she's killing it. She is killing it. I'm going to use that lightly, and then I'm going to pull this one. Whew, I can't spend too much time in here because y'all know I close the door when I come in here because it's so loud. All right, we're going to put that right like that, and that right like that, and I don't care if July's covered up. Push that down, and then I have this one last little box to put on here, and I'm just going to sort of put it right like so. Or should I move it over a little bit? Move it over just a tad. Hopefully I won't. There. It's a little bit more symmetrical. And we're done. So let me take this and pull it up. Let's do our trimming. Okay. Just going to trim down through here. And after I get it all nice and trimmed, I'm going to punch it. And that is clear. I'm going to pull that off of there. It ain't even going to show. All right, that's good. I don't have any overhang on that one. Now on this one, we have a little bit of overhang on some of our floral leaves here. And a little tiny bit on her. Up here at the top. And I think I got them all. Oh, one more down here at the bottom. I missed a leaf. All right, and that's crooked right there. So, okay. So there's that. Make sure these are all mashed down good. Let's put right sides together. Get out our punch. place it in here. Make sure it's lined up nice and straight. Make sure it's all the way back. There we go. And I always sort of try to look. Yep. Because I'm telling you, when you punch them wrong, and I have, it is not any fun. Messes up your... So, this is going to be mine. It's trips or picnics. So, this is my take on it. Mine's going to be trips. And these are all my dream destinations that I would love to be able to go to. So, this is part of my Facebook group's Happy Planning Tips and Tricks is our name. And this is part of our weekly challenges. This one's trips or picnics. So this is my trips. I hope you enjoyed it. This is for July the 12th through the 18th. And this is my Happy Planner Classic Dashboard. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like. And if you watched the video, please click the like button. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel to grow. And please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Check me out on all my social medias. Those are posted on the end screen. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, everybody.